The federal interest rates have gone up once again, and that means it may be harder to buy and sell a home. Joining us live this morning with more is mortgage expert Brian Sachs. Good morning, Brian. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. It's a very interesting time in the mortgage and real estate world.
It
We've
absolutely
had
is.
it really is. We've had really a record climb in interest rates over the past 4 or 5 months. But you have to keep everything in perspective. The average interest rate over the last 50 years has been 7.24%. And it's kind of where we're trending right now. We're in the low to mid sevens, but that's tough to digest after rates were in the twos and threes not very long ago.
Yeah, especially because when you think about how that translates in a mortgage, that could be hundreds of dollars, even maybe $1,000 more per month, right?
It really depends. Absolutely. It definitely increases your mortgage payment monthly. But here's what's interesting. I always get the question recently, when should I buy? When's a good time for me to buy a house? Ironically, I think now is one of the best times to buy. And I know that may sound a little strange, so I'll explain. We previously, over the last couple years, we had a seller's market where there were way more buyers than there were homes for sale. And people were foregoing home inspections. They were offering over asking price. Well, those days have stopped. And right now, we're in a really good place if you're looking to buy a home because sellers are willing to negotiate. Sellers are willing to make concessions, and home prices have dropped a little bit, and that kind of offsets the interest rates. Last week, towards the end of the week, we had a major drop in interest rates, actually. And so I hope that bodes well for this fall winter market. But if you're thinking about buying, great time to do it. Much less competition, home values sagging a little bit, and you can probably ask for better terms from the seller.
And I'm so glad you brought that up because I hadn't myself heard about interest rates going back down. So many of us keep hearing that they've gone up and they're at a 20-year high.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, when you hear that interest rates are going up, they may have come down. And when you hear that they're going down, they may be on their way back up. But the right time to buy for every individual is when you can afford it. The reality is if you're renting, you're still paying a mortgage payment, right? You're just paying your landlord's mortgage payment instead of your own. So it's a great opportunity, a great time. And if you've been thinking about it, go out there and start looking, get yourself pre-approved and go find a home.
Many people in this kind of market are kind of at that pivotal point. And I know you said it because buyers have more power now. It's a good time to go ahead and dive in. But some people are saying, but what if we hit a recession? Should I hold out? What about 6 months from now?
Well, the reality is if you have to know your own budget, okay? And so you're going to pay a housing payment. You don't ever want to overextend yourself and get in over your head with a payment you can't afford. But again, you're going to pay rent or you're going to pay a mortgage. You have to live somewhere. And so the reality is if there is a recession, which many are predicting in the second half of 23, well, that's great because in a sense, it's great because you may have an opportunity if you buy now to reduce your interest rate even further because during a recession, oftentimes interest rates come down. So you could have potentially a win-win situation. But again, to your question, never overextend yourself, never buy above your means. And a mortgage company is going to make sure you don't, in a sense, because you do have to qualify.
And tell me about your new book.
Well, I just wrote a book, and it's really, thank you for asking, by the way. The book is called The Real Estate Loophole, and it's available at therealestateloophole.com or on Amazon. It made the bestseller list, which kind of shocked me on Amazon. But basically, the premise is this. Instead of buying a single family home, buy a multifamily home. And what that may allow you to do is actually have others make your mortgage payment for you. It'll throw off some extra tax benefits for you. And, everybody's looking for a side hustle these days, right? Well, here's a side hustle collecting the rents from the other units. Not only does it cover your mortgage payment, but oftentimes it could be equivalent to what you might make at a part-time job. So it is the real estate loophole. That's why I named it that. And right now, it's a great opportunity. Seniors are struggling. It's a good opportunity for them. New home buyers, millennials are struggling. Kind of everybody's struggling in a sense. And this is a way, live in one unit. You won't even have to make a payment if your other units can cover the mortgage payment plus a side hustle.
Brian, thank you so much for joining us. So much great information that you've shared this morning.